Want to know how DoorDash DashLink actually works? Let's break it down step by step so you know exactly what it is and how to use it. So first, what is DashLink? Think of it like DoorDash, but instead of food, it's for packages. It's a parcel delivery service where you'll be picking up multiple parcels at once and then dropping them off along a planned route. Here's how you use it. First, you'll need to get an invite or an offer. Not every Dasher has access to DashLink yet. Once you get one, accept the DashLink order and it will switch you into parcel delivery mode. From there, head over to the pickup location to collect a full batch of packages. After that, just follow the route that the app gives you. It's already optimized with stops, so you just deliver each package one by one straight to the customer's door. Your pay will be for the batch as a whole, not per order, and it's usually flat or route based, and that's it. Now you know exactly how to use DoorDash DashLink step by step. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.